Everyone ignored this boy. Teachers didn't notice him. Students laughed at him. But one small decision changed his entire life. In the back row of the classroom sat a boy named Ayan. He never raised his hand, not because he didn't know the answer, but because no one waited for him. His uniform was old, shoes were torn, lunchbox was always empty. When students worked in groups, Ayan worked alone. Teachers thought he was weak. Classmates thought he was useless. At home, things were worse. One small room, no electricity most nights. His father worked daily wages. Some days, no work, no food. Still, every night, Ayan studied under a streetlight. He failed exams again and again. One day, the results came. Students celebrated. Ayan stood quietly, holding his failure slip. That's when one teacher noticed him. She didn't shout. She didn't pity him. She said one line. "You're not weak. You're just early." She started giving him extra books, extra time, extra belief. Years passed. Ayan studied harder than ever, failed less, learned more. One day, he passed. Years later, the same school invited a guest speaker. A successful man walked in. It was Ayan. He looked at the back row and smiled. He donated books, built a library, and said, "Never ignore the quiet ones." Subscribe for more interesting stories.